how to get a professional smooth paint finish and what not to do. Hi, I'm Liberty. Welcome to Before and Afters at Century Farms. I'm using Black Dog Salvage furniture paint and will put a link below to get 20% off. I started with an unfinished piece. If you're starting with furniture that has already been painted, all you need to do is clean it really well using TSP. This is going to be a quick video. If you want more details and to see more of the process that I used, I'll put a link to a much longer video below. I'm painting this hall bench to use in my bathroom. So first I painted clean canvas white on the top and let it dry. I switched to a sturdy zebra brush and loved how it worked with the paint, and I can put a description to that brush below. Then I used a khaki color to add dimension to the inset design. I used a damp towel to blend it and wipe off what I didn't want. Then I decided to use a gray color too. I wiped that off as well to blend it in. Then I repainted white with a roller over the flat spots and clear coated it twice with Show Dog top coat so that it would stay bright white. For the bottom, I mixed my own color using 3 colors, ending up with a muted aqua green. Black Dog Salvage has lots of paint recipes, and if you don't see the color you want, be sure to ask them for help, and they will be glad to help you, just like they helped me. You can get very close to the color that I used by using their Roanoke Rain. I thought that I would reuse a paint can, but sadly, there were dried bits of paint that came off, and I didn't realize it until I had sanded my bench. So do not reuse an old can that has any specks at all in it or on the lid. Use a completely clean container to store the new color that you mix. So do not do what I did. So coat your furniture twice with the paint color and add any accent color that you want to. Then I used 2 coats of their Guard Dog top coat to seal in the paint since it is more durable. I sanded it just a little bit. What a nice, smooth satin finish it gave. I absolutely love the professional smooth finish that Black Dog Salvage top coats give. They are just amazing. I would love to know if you try it, so let me know in the comments, and be sure to use the coupon code if you do. Thanks for watching. Tall bench in my bathroom to have a place to store my socks and sit down to put them on and off. And here it is. Some unfinished Amish furniture from Peaceful Valley near me, painted with Black Dog Salvage furniture paint. I wanted it this color so it would coordinate with my shower curtain. And I think it looks fantastic. Gives me a place to hang clothes and washcloths, and to set some sea salt in the basket above it. Epsom salt. I used 2 colors of paint here to emphasize the design there. When I went to do the same thing on the drawers, the paint didn't show up as much, so I used gray and white around the drawers. If I had had dark brown or black, I would have tried that, but I didn't have it, so I think it turned out just fine the way it is. I used Show Dog clear coat on the top for the white and Guard Dog on the bottom. And I look forward to enjoying this for years to come.